Finally, it was time for the school board meeting. The teacher explained the problem. There wasn't any money in the bucket to afford the soccer team. It would have been cut. Does anyone have anything to say? Asked the president. We do, said Maya. At the same time, they jumped on stage. This is a little show we call Soccer Around the World, Maya said. Good. All the kids join Maya and they yell on stage. Soccer is one of the most popular sports in the world. Many countries have a national team. Maya